Let me give you a situation. What if I tell you that there's a legal hack that lets you pay zero taxes on your investment returns, and it's been available to every Indian since 1968? Sounds like a scam? It's not. It's PPF, Public Provident Fund. Right now, when you're watching this video, millions of Indians are using this legal loophole to build wealth. The catch? You need patience. 15 saal ka patience. Let me explain how this works and why it might be the smartest financial decision you never knew about. PPF, Public Provident Fund. ये है गवर्नमेंट का एक लॉन्ग टर्म सेविंग स्कीम जो 1968 में स्टार्ट हुआ था. Think of it this way. The government has created a special savings account just for you. इस अकाउंट में तुमने जो भी पैसा डाला वो ग्रो होता है गवर्नमेंट guaranteed rate of interest पे, which is currently 7.1% per year. But ये रेगुलर सेविंग्स अकाउंट नहीं है. इसके रूल्स हैं. फर्स्ट रूल, मिनिमम 500 रुपीज डालना पड़ेगा एवरी ईयर. सेकेंड, मैक्सिमम 1.5 लाख ही डाल सकते हो पर ईयर. थर्ड, 15 साल तक लॉक्ड है. दैट मीन्स यू कैन नॉट टच द मनी. फोर्थ, सिर्फ इंडियन सिटीजन्स इसको ओपन कर सकते हैं. एंड फिफ्थ, 1 अकाउंट पर पर्सन, बट यू कैन ओपन 1 मोर अकाउंट फॉर योर किड्स टू. तो बेसिकली ये है गवर्नमेंट का एक प्रॉमिस. तुम मुझे पैसा दो, मैं उसको सेफ रखूंगा, अच्छा इंटरेस्ट दूंगा और टैक्स भी नहीं लूंगा. यहाँ पर 3 लेवल्स ऑफ टैक्स बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं जो कोई दूसरा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं देता. लेवल 1, एग्जम्प्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. जो पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया वो तुम्हारे टैक्सेबल इनकम में से कट हो जाता है. दिस मीन्स इमीडिएट टैक्स सेविंग्स अंडर सेक्शन 80C. लेवल 2, एग्जम्प्ट ऑन ग्रोथ. सारा ग्रोथ टैक्स फ्री होता है. नो TDS डिडक्शन, नो कैपिटल गेन्स टैक्स एंड कोई हेडेक नहीं ड्यूरिंग योर टैक्स फाइलिंग. जो इंटरेस्ट मिला सब तुम्हारा. Level 3, exempt on withdrawal. That is, final withdrawal is completely tax free. ये गवर्नमेंट का प्रॉमिस है. कंपेयर करो फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट where you pay taxes on your interest every year, या फिर म्यूचुअल फंड जिस पे तुम पे करते हो कैपिटल गेन्स टैक्स when you sell. PPF, बिल्कुल clean slate, zero taxes. The government basically subsidizes your wealth building. तुम्हारा पैसा will grow exactly by 7.1% हर साल, regardless of economic crashes, political changes, or global pandemics. Market investments require timing, research, and constant monitoring. PPF requires opening an account, then forgetting about it for 15 years. कौन सा approach sounds more suitable for an average person? यहाँ पे PPF becomes really powerful. Year 1 में तुम earn करते हो interest on 1.5 lakhs. Year 2 में you earn interest on 3.2 lakhs. Year 10 में you are earning interest on 20 plus lakhs. By year 15, compound interest is doing most of the heavy lifting. तुम्हारा पैसा is making more money than what you contribute. PPF isn't meant to be your investment. It's meant to be your foundation. Max out PPF 1.5 lakhs per year. This gives you a guaranteed tax-free wealth base. Then use the remaining money for equity, mutual funds, or real estate, whatever matches your risk appetite. Think of PPF as your financial safety net that grows into wealth over time. Everything else is a bonus growth on top of this solid base. Rich people don't put all their money into risky assets. They build secure foundations first, then take calculated risk with excess money. अगर कन्विंस हो गए तो here's exactly what to do. Visit any bank or post office with Aadhaar card, PAN card and 500 rupees. Open a PPF account immediately. Set up automatic monthly transfers on an amount जो आप sustain कर सकते हो. Even 5,000 a month adds up significantly over 15 years. Then forget about it. Don't check balance हर महीने. Don't worry about interest rate changes and don't compare it with other investments. Let compound interest and government tax benefits do their job while you earn more income and manage other investments. The best time to start was 15 years ago. And the second best time to start is Aaj. Every month you delay costs you thousands in final wealth.